versus Michelle and Madeline. Players on court number 5, Stanley and Kevin versus Gilbert Arevalo and Gilbert Roman. Please get ready to proceed to court number 5. Players on court number 5.
Meron isang labanan yung binodegan na.
Court number 5.
Isa doon.
Stanley.
May Sunday nila dahil.
Isa nila ka.
Sunday. First, second game pa. First two kay Daog man.
Players on court number 5, Stanley and Kevin versus Gilbert Arevalo and Gilbert Puman.
Kaya na. Tara.
Elimination games for MPE have already been completed. We're just tabulating the scores and we'll be coming up with a ranking in a while.
Nice, kahit out.
Sarah Hudan, please approach the committee table. Paul Hudan, please approach the committee table. Players on court number 8, Philip and Ferns versus James and Renzo. Please get ready to proceed to court number 8. Players on court number 7, Mark and Billy versus June and Darius. Please get ready to proceed to court number 7. Sarah Hudan, please approach the committee table. Sarah Hudan, please approach the committee table.
Okay, announcing the top 28 players of men's doubles E. 1. Alvin and Owen from Team Paligao. 2. Napoleon and Adrian from Green East. 3. Alex and Ronald from SPL. 4. Gwen and Randall from Kidwa. 5. Leo and Martin from PSG. 6. Elmer and Ace, SPL. 7. Jefferson and Christian, 16 feathers. 8. Richard and Roderick, Baggers. 9. Aaron and Chris, PSG. 10. Jomar and Andrew, SPR. 11. George and Eugene, Green East. 12. Wilbert and Satur, TS. 13. Eric and Ricky, Shuttle Troopers. 14. Nordin Vin and Sujan from Seba. 15. Agripino and Frederick, B Gamers. 16. Sharwin and Matthew, Hotshots. 17. Samuel and Rojas Manuel, Shuttle Troopers. 18. Garcia and Nolan, Shuttle Troopers. 19. Jeremy and Christian, Green East. 20. Benjamin and Raymond, PRPT. 21. Mario and Dexter, Hotshots. 22. Arnel and Tito, Big Gamers. 23. Ben and Rizalito, Waggers. 24. Kurtz and William, Laggers. 25. Dex and Joel, Big BB. 26. Jesse and Henry, PSG. 27. Tommy and Oliver, SPR. And last but not least, Enrico and Mark, SNWN.
Players on court number 8, Philip and First versus James and Renzo. Players on court number 8, Philip and First versus James and Renzo. Players on court number 7, Mark and Timmy versus June and Darius. On court number 8, Philip and First versus James and Renzo. Loxy and Andrew versus Luigi and Renzi. Loxy and Andrew versus Luigi and Renzi.
Number 1!
Swerte lang, sir.
Court number